Today is lesson 4.7, Algebra, Patterns on the Multiplication Table. Our essential question is, how can you use properties to explain patterns on the multiplication table? Our problem of the day is there are 7 dogs staying at Bow Wow Beach Resort. Each dog eats 1 can of food a day. How many cans of food will the dogs eat in a week? Using the cubes method, I know I need to circle 7 and 1. I underline the question, which is how many cans of food will the dogs eat in a week? And box the clue words, which is how many. So I know that there's 7 dogs. They eat 1 can of food a day, and that's each dog. And there's 7 days in a week. So I would take 7 and I would use repeated addition, and I would add it 7 times. Or I could do 7 times 7, which would be letter C, 49. When I'm looking at a multiplication chart, I can see lots of patterns. So as you can see right here, each number from 0 to 12 is on the top and on the side. So if I need to find out 1 times 1, I go where they meet, which is right here. So where the 1 meets over here and where the 1 meets over here, then it would be 1. So 1 times 1 equals 1. So I want you to notice in the 5s column, what kind of pattern do you see? I see that each number ends with a 0 or a 5. How about in the 10s column? Each number ends with a 0. Let's look at the 2s column. Each number is even, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's patterns that are shown on the multiplication chart that you can use anytime. Take a look at your multiplication chart and find some patterns that you see.